Hey guys, so today I will show you a DIY deep conditioning treatment that you can use if you have low porosity hair. So let's get started. The first ingredient is Greek yogurt because it is great to use for moisture retention. It can also soften and smoothen the hair because of the lactic acid in yogurt that can help smoothen the cuticle, making it easier for moisture to penetrate. Now the second ingredient is honey. Now I'm both using Manuka honey and the regular organic honey that we have here as well. Honey is an excellent ingredient for low porosity hair due to its natural humectant properties, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. And then I will be using avocado. Avocado is a fantastic ingredient for low porosity hair because it is rich in vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E, and B6, along with proteins, magnesium, folic acid, and healthy fats. It is rich in fatty acids that can penetrate the hair shaft, providing deep moisturization. Now for me, I will add in coconut milk because coconut milk is rich in fats and proteins that can penetrate the hair shaft, providing intense hydration and nourishment, which is essential for low porosity hair that tends to resist moisture. Now, if your low porosity hair cannot handle this, you can go for sweet almond oil instead because this oil is light and is easily absorbed, making it ideal for your low porosity hair. Alright, so in here I will be combining all of the ingredients in a blender. The proportion will depend on your hair length and volume. So for me, I used 2 avocados because they weren't the big ones anyway. And then I used about 2 tablespoons each of the regular organic honey here and the Manuka honey. And then 1 small yogurt. And then 1 cup of pure coconut milk. Now in here you can experiment and make your own proportion. Feel free to add or lessen the ingredients used. Now blend it until you get into this consistency right here. It should mimic the consistency of your regular deep conditioner, that it's not too runny but it's also not too thick. Now for the application, of course, start off with a clean, damp hair and then apply it all over your hair. Now this can also be used in the scalp too, by the way, since all of the ingredients here are great for hair growth as well and for scalp health. But focus this on your problematic areas, and I will leave that on my hair for 30 minutes max. And then I will wrap my hair inside a plastic since I don't have my heat cap here. You can also use or do the steaming method. Now I don't need to do that because the hot weather in my country here is enough. Now I rinsed it and this is what it looks like. Now when you do this mask, you don't even need to use a conditioner after. And I like how it made my hair feel soft, smooth, and moisturized and revived again, since my hair looked kind of dull lately. Now my hair is not low porosity, but for some reason the low porosity hair care products and methods work so well on my hair, especially when it was summer because my hair was super dry. And of course you can use this mask even if your hair is not low porosity, by the way. And what I do like about this deep conditioning mask is that it is great for strengthening the hair, especially if you're dealing with breakage, and as well taming down any frizz on your hair. Now I think the only disadvantage for me at least is that whenever I curl my hair, if I use this mask, it just goes back to straight after. This is the preview of my curls when it was still fresh. I like how I have no frizz on my curls at all, but however, this is the aftermath. My hair does not hold curls whenever I do this. It's not a bad thing though, because it gives my hair, you know, a relaxed straight hair treatment for some reason. But however, my hair went back to straight immediately after I brushed it a couple of times. So yeah, but definitely try out this one. And as I've said, if your hair does not respond well to coconut milk, then use sweet almond oil. So that is it. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, once again, please give this video a thumbs up and also share it to your friend who has low porosity hair. And also let me know in the comments down below if you all want more hair DIYs, because there's a lot of DIY hair treatments that I've been trying out on my hair lately, and I really do like its result. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.